taxpayers on the hook for some expenses in the case against the accused Freeman High School shooter. KREM 2's Lindsay Nadrich uncovered new court filings today and explains why.
We're still months away from the declination hearing that will decide whether or not 15-year-old Caleb Sharp will be tried as an adult for the shooting at Freeman High School. But as we wait, the case continues to move forward through the legal system. Court documents filed this week show the county will have to pay up to $3,500 for an expert to evaluate the 15-year-old. But that could be just the start. The expert retained for his defense estimated costs could reach $18,000 plus, according to the filing. So why does the public have to pay for this? It's because the judge ruled the 15-year-old is indigent, meaning he has no money to pay for his own defense. His parents don't have to pay for the expert either because of the law. The 15-year-old himself also had to file a financial declaration saying he has no money. In it, he writes, "My parents were not comfortable with a public defender on the criminal charges and retained Mr. Maxey, providing him with all money they had available for an attorney. I am respectfully asking the court to find me indigent for purposes of retaining experts to aid in my defense of this case." His attorney, Bevan Maxey, also filed a motion to appoint the expert at the county's expense, saying his parents paid to retain him but don't have any more money to pay for an expert. The hired expert specializes in forensic and clinical psychology and will determine if the 15-year-old is capable of rehabilitation, whether he completely understands the nature of his acts, and will evaluate his level of capability as well as his emotional and mental well-being. The expert expects to have his findings completed before the declination hearing that's set for April 2nd of next year. So initially, the case will cost the public $3,500. Another motion would have to be filed and approved before more county money is spent. I also learned it's not uncommon for the public to have to pick up the tab in cases like this. I'm Lindsay Nadrich, KREM 2 News.